So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. But in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue if the timeline is missing on your Premiere Pro easily. Now, in order to fix that, just simply click on this option of window on the top of the screen. Once you click over there, click on workspaces. Either you can simply click on this option of say reset to saved layout. Or if you don't want to reset your layout or just want the timeline back, all you need to do again just simply press window and here check mark this, that is timeline. Click over there, and now once you do that, when you expand it, you'll notice that the timeline here is back. Now if you want or whatever the sequence you're working on back on the timeline, just simply let's say drag double click on the sequence and you can see the timeline is back on track. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.